Hi everyone, welcome to Lazy Answer Tips. I'm Alessia. Today we're at the last video of the series Common Mistakes in Ballet Fitness. And today we're going to be talking about turns. If you haven't seen the previous videos, I'm going to link them up here for you to go and check out and practice at home so you're not going to do any more mistakes in Ballet Fitness. If you're ready for this, keep on listening, keep on watching, and let's turn it! Last but not least, number 5, pirouettes and turns and releves to passe. Okay, so this is a hard one, and I know sometimes they get you to do things without even thinking about, but there is a whole world of technique behind there that we really want to think about. So every time you go into a turn, usually it comes from either a 5th position, a 4th position, so 2 legs apart, or if we want to turn a different way, 4th allonge, yeah? There are different ways as well from traveling, which are piqués, which means that you're going where the foot is. Yeah, it's all about, see, it's a wide world of turning. So the first thing that you want to think about, remember that 5th, heels on the floor, plie, our beloved. Yeah, from here we go, passe, nothing else changes. The only thing that you've got to think about is this supporting leg getting to the ground as much as possible. So it's like an arrow shooting down towards the ground, and at the same time, the leg that is going up towards the knee shoots up towards the knee. So you go lift, yeah? Think about those 2 arrows or elastic connection, yeah? Hit, yeah? Hit. When you turn, that has to be a work of the whole body. So it's not first it goes the foot, then the, no, it's all together. So all together, yeah? All together. If we want to do it coming from a pose turn, we want to bring our bum bum straight over there to continue into whatever we need to do later. But the same principle apply. Hit that position, so shoot the arrow, and the foot in a piqué goes behind. And again, remember the cashew / biscuit / no man's land. The heel touches the knee. No jazz turn, turn out turn, because it's ballet. So same thing, foot comes out. In this case, because we're posing, we shoot with this leg, this comes with us. Coordination of the arms, do you remember we talked about coordination of the arms? 2 together, yeah? Coordination slightly earlier than the, the legs, these. And again, there is no particular, yes there is. This is your position, yeah? If I want to come towards you, I come towards you. Yeah, there is no, otherwise if my leg is over there, I don't come towards you, I go over there. Yeah, so from here, come towards me. Very good. So when we are going in piqué somewhere else, you go towards the corner. Yeah, again, take your bum bum with you. Oh, that was a good slap. Take your bum bum with you. Just checking it doesn't break anything. And we go towards the corner, yeah? We don't really usually close into 5th because we keep on going, but I don't have enough room in this lounge. So from here, think about it, going, and continue. So you come back onto the leg behind, but you go forward, forward. I think that's pretty much it. So again, shoot an arrow wherever you are, shoot an arrow supporting leg, or shoot the arrow take your bum with you, take your leg with you. In this case, it's not just about turning. We work those muscles because we put intention into it. We put so much effort into it. And every time you do a small step, every little muscle in the body is activated, yeah? It's not just about floating. If you want to look flawless, you've got to be so strong. And these are the little details you need to think about every time you do ballet fitness. So I really hope this will help, and keep on practicing, keep going through all the corrections, and if you've got any more questions, let me know. Bravo guys.